Do you want a cleaner home? Would you like to take the chore out of everyday cleaning? Are you just sick of the mess? You probably already know that I love cleaning and I love natural DIY cleaning, well, as much as I can. One of the things I like to do is do cleaning kits just to make cleaning super easy. So you can do this per room, so like in a bathroom, in a kitchen, in your laundry room, or you can do just like a cleaning cart or a cleaning basket that's all purpose that you can use all around your house. And it only takes a few simple things to get rid of all those plastic disposable bottles and upgrade to a little bit more sustainable, a little bit more natural, non-toxic cleaning routine. You really just need to start with some good quality bottles. I recommend glass, and you usually want to get a combination of glass that you could see through. That's good for most cleaners. Some cleaners, especially if you're using like hydrogen peroxide, need something dark so that the light doesn't react to the cleaner. So you can get bottles that are dark that the sunlight really won't get to or get through, or those amber brown bottles. The cool thing, online and in most stores today, you can find a variety of really cool aesthetic cleaning supplies that are super affordable. And you don't have to get all this at once. I would start off with just 2 empty bottles. That's a good way to start. You can do an all-purpose, a glass cleaner, and start building up your aesthetic cleaning kit. Now, why make it fancy? You've probably seen those trends of everybody trying to make their pantry fancy or their refrigerator fancy. Your cleaning supplies look all fancy and designed. Well, it's not just for aesthetics. It's for you. It's to inspire you to clean. Those plastic bottles feel cheap and they look like a chore and they may not inspire you to clean. So having some cleaning supplies that look nice, that you want to use, and having them easily accessible is gonna make cleaning a whole lot more fun and easy. And this stuff can look so good you want to put it on display. So in your bathroom, maybe on top of that toilet bowl, or you have an extra shelf, you can have your DIY cleaner, some air freshener, and a couple maybe towels. So that way you can just clean up and wipe down daily, weekly. You can make it really easy to keep things clean. One of the biggest tips when it comes to cleaning is the more you do it, if you do a daily wipe down, if you do a weekly clean, you'll never have to deep clean. And cleaning will never be an issue because you're constantly cleaning. You're constantly wiping down, you're constantly cleaning up. If you see some splatters on that mirror, go ahead and grab your glass spray. Spritz, 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 spritz. Microfiber it down, throw this in the laundry, and then put it right back in your basket when it's clean. It can be that easy. Your laundry room is a great place, especially if you have the room to store your cleaning supplies. That way you can have it nicely out in a basket or in a corner. If you have the space, try to avoid hiding things in cabinets. When it's out of sight, it's out of mind, and you're less likely to use it. I like to have it out. That way I can see it, I can grab it really quick when I have a mess, spray down, and clean up. So having a central location can be really helpful, or if you want to do it per room, whatever works for you to inspire you to clean and make things easily accessible. Have a few simple essentials out on display so they look nice, they don't clash with your vibe in your house, and you can just grab what you need really quick and get to cleaning. Messes build over time, little by little. You can counteract that by cleaning little by little over time. One of the things I like to do is just set aside cleaning time every day. So 15, 20 minutes, okay, that's my stove time this day in the kitchen. I'll just do the mirror in the bathroom one day. So you can really break up those tasks little by little throughout the week, and by the end of the week, you're clean. Everything's back to baseline and you're good to go and you have a clean, beautiful home. When your cleaning kit looks this nice, it's way more fun to use it. What I love is so many brands, so many stores are carrying sustainable products, products that look nice, good finishes, and you're also trying to go after good quality. If you have a glass bottle, this is gonna be easier to clean out, easier to use than those plastic disposables. And no matter what type of cleaner, whether you're making a DIY cleaner, buy cleaners in bulk. If there's a certain brand of a cleaner you like, you can save yourself money and waste by getting that cleaner in bulk. You can usually order it online or on their website and just fill up your own bottles with that cleaner. You can find really good cleaner concentrates, so you just pour a little bit in your bottle and then fill the rest up with water. There's so many solutions to cleaning. I've been telling problem solvers for years now how to make DIY cleaners, how to make better, more sustainable choices when it comes to cleaning up your home. If you have kids or pets, DIY cleaners are gonna be a great choice because you don't have to worry about toxic ingredients. You can choose what goes into your cleaners and how you're cleaning your home to make sure that you have confidence in what you're using. I picked up these bottles for DIY air fresheners. You can use essential oils and a little distilled water. Sometimes I put a little bit of isopropyl alcohol in there if I'm using it as a toilet spray. That's a quick little poopery trick you can do. These little bottles are super aesthetic, really pretty. You can can get these in a variety of colors and shapes and sizes to match your vibe. Look around, see what you can find. A bunch of home stores are now carrying different types of empty bottles that you can use for all sorts of cleaners. I really love this style of spray bottle. It produces a fine mist and it's really great as a glass and surface cleaner spray bottle. I like to use glass containers like this to store my sponges, maybe my brushes, or you can even put ingredients for your cleaning supplies in these. I'm gonna fill one up with baking soda, of course. These are fun and these are great containers to help keep everything organized. You might even have some empty vases or containers that you can use sitting around, so look around, see what you can upcycle from your house. You can even use mason jars. I really enjoy these scrub mommies. Not only do they look cool, so it's a little bit more fun to clean with these, they're actually really effective cleaners. So you get both versatility and function, as well as some form and cuteness. Look at that scrub mommy. This is way more fun than that regular sponge. Of course, you need microfiber cloths. That is an essential for any cleaning kit, aesthetic or not. Now, here's my favorite shortcut when it comes to redoing your cleaning supplies. If you're going to decant or make your own DIY supplies, of course you want to label those, but just handwriting on there or putting some masking tape on there is not what we're going after. You can find these super affordable stickers that are pre-printed, pre-designed with all the different types of cleaning supplies. So you don't really have to do any work, you know, you don't have to spend time on Canva, you don't have to run to the printing store, and you don't have to pull out that Cricut. Although if you have a crafty friend or neighbor, maybe you can have them make some labels for you. This is the easiest way to label all your bottles and containers and have it really well designed. And these come in a variety of colors and styles. These bottles actually came with a variety of labels, so that's a 2-for-1. You can pick up the bottles and make sure they come with the labels pre-printed. You have a variety of stickers you can put on here that label what's in your container. They'll really class things up. When it comes to any project around the house, especially cleaning, convenience is king. That way, it doesn't have to feel like a chore. It's a responsibility and a joy to clean your home. When it's all decor, it will not feel like a chore. And of course, my favorite cleaning essentials, you can basically clean everything in your house with these supplies. We've made this video of all my favorite natural cleaners, so go ahead and watch that. But we've got isopropyl, key, bam. Castile soap, necessary, bam. Usually I like the unscented, but the lavender one is great too. Enjoy. Distilled water, necessary. Don't use tap water in most cases. So multi-purpose, vinegar, huge jug. The bigger the jug you can get, the better. If there's a cleaner you like, just get it in bulk, dilute it. Some essential oils, your favorite scents. Smells good. Funnel's gonna be really helpful to keep near your kit when you're refilling. Oh, and I didn't have baking soda out, but include baking soda in that list. Another helpful tip, create a recipe card of all your DIY cleaners. You can keep that in your cleaning basket. You can also use a label on your bottles with the recipe of the cleaner. So like 1 part vinegar, 1 part distilled water for your all-purpose cleaner. So you can put the recipes actually on your bottle if you wanna do it that way. Or what I like to do, just keep it on a note in your phone. So you can pull up your phone, cleaning supplies, label it, and then have all your DIY cleaners listed out. And you don't really need that much. I feel like most people have like 20 types of chemical cleaners underneath their cabinet to clean their house. You really don't need that much. You just need an all-purpose cleaner and then maybe a specific cleaner for a few key areas of your house. So anywhere from 3 to 4 bottles should be enough. You don't need a different cleaner for everything. Look how great this looks. This is such a beautiful bottle. This would be great for shower spray. I recommend spraying some diluted white distilled vinegar around your shower and your shower head after you're done, just to prevent hard water buildup. So you can leave this out and this looks nice and just do your shower spritz. That's also why I like an aesthetic cleaning supply, just so you're more inspired to use it every day. You're reminded to use it because it's sitting out and then it doesn't clash. It's not with those ugly plastic bottles sitting in the corner. I haven't done it, but I saw that you can upcycle like regular glass bottles into spray bottles. You can just get the spray attachments and just clean this jar, remove the label, put a spray bottle on top, and a lot of bottles have a universal like size at the top. So try it out. Upcycle some old glass bottles into spray bottles. When you have a cleaning kit you're proud of, you're far more likely to use it and keep your home nice and tidy.